Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brody. If you're new here, hi. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to become a family member by subscribing to the channel and even turning on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will get notified. Today's video is a braided wig tutorial. I am going to be doing this braided wig with a lace frontal. It is the 13 by 4 lace frontal. This is how the frontal look like. It is already bleached. So I'll just go ahead to pin it down onto my mannequin head. Then I'll begin with the sewing. The method I'll be using to sew down this frontal is the blanket stitch. And I'll be using the blanket stitch because it makes the sewing process so neat. Yeah, I'm going to be using my measuring tape just to give me a guide on how I'm going to be braiding down this wig. You do not have to do this process, but if this is your first time doing like a braided wig, I will advise you to use this method. It really keeps everything in place and you know how much spacing you're supposed to give with each braid. Extension I'm going to be using in this process, I got this hair from AliExpress and this is what it looks like. So I did not want to bore you with this process. I went ahead to do some of the braid off camera. I'm going to be showing you how I will crochet the back of this wig. So I will just use my right hand to help me not to rip the wig cap. Then I will put in the extension and pull it through the wig cap. When pulling it through the wig cap, the extension you are pulling through shouldn't be too big. I consider the hair I am pulling through as the base of the braid. That is, this is your hair. So the one I will be using to braid, the one I put through the net, I don't know if that makes sense. It should be bigger than the one I pull through the crocheted wig. The tutorial is self-explanatory. If you don't get the sense in what I'm trying to explain, I will advise you just to watch and you are going to understand what I'm trying to do here. Now we do not need the part of the wig cap underneath the lace frontal, so I'm just going to cut that off. I want the hair at the frontal to mimic our natural hair. I'm just going to spray some water, then I use the hot brush to straighten the hair. And also when braiding, I want the braid at the front to be more smooth and neat. For the sake of not making this video too long, I have already braided one side of the frontal, but I'm going to be showing you how this was done with the other side of the frontal. At the back of this wig, I used the traditional box braid method, but with the front of the wig, I'll be using the knotless box braid method, and I'll be using the shine and jam to part the hair. If you made it to this part of the video, I want to thank you very much for watching. Please do not leave without subscribing to my channel and turning on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will get notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you very much. And if you have any question for me, leave it in the comment section down and I will be happy to reply your comment.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, 'cause we're taking off. Pack map here, track is in.